Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. These are Samsung's latest premium wireless earbuds, and they've packed in some exciting new features that I can't wait to check out. So I've heard a lot of good things about this buds, and I know they kind of look like the iPhone copycat, but I intentionally got the gray ones. I don't want to get the white one because it's just if someone looks from far, they'll think that these are like just the knockoffs of the AirPods. So let's open it up. First, we have the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro case, neatly wrapped and sitting right on top. It's small, lightweight, and has a smooth matte finish, which feels great in the hands. Perfect for an on-the-go. You can see the earbuds themselves and they look fantastic. The matte finish continues on the buds. Let's take a closer look. I'm gonna get my Apple AirPods and just compare them. You see they're kind of like similar. Well, at least they changed something. It looks like Apple AirPods going this way in the case, and these ones go in this way. I keep making the same mistake. Yeah, oh, see, you see that light? A little bit bulkier, I guess, than the Apple one, but the weight is the same. This is the Apple AirPods Pro 2. So the earbuds snap right into the case magnetically, and you can tell that the fit is secure. If I go like that. This case also supports wireless charging from the back of the phone, and you can just drop it on a QI charger and just forget about it. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and have a great day. Bye.